nice with Mama, okay? Listen to Mama. Ok, papa, il va au travail. I love you. You have a good day. Hi guys, I'm already late. Bye, have a good day. Always late.
You're a hot mess.
Yeah, the bus in 2 minutes.
So why you be so late? What?
I thought this was the one you hold.
I'm not tickling you, silly.
Yeah, tickle.
Tickle?
Yeah.
You're a hot mess. Say morning to Faves.
Morning, morning. 100 faves. Morning, 100.
There are more than 100 Faves. It's more like 11,000 Faves.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
how old the old faves is?
How old are Faves?
Yeah.
I don't know. Ask Faves how old they are.
How old you are?
You're so funny. Hi Faves. Oh, it's dark. Hi Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys.
It's dark where?
It's dark in the camera because the lighting is not good where I put it. It's another day. My boy is getting ready for school. Sarah is still sleeping. I know she's gonna wake up soon. So I'm getting my routine done with Ty just in time for her to wake. So we can drop Ty to school. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and stay love, stay blessed. As you guys can see, Dave just ran out. So Tyler is about to head out, and it's been raining since last night, non-stop raining. See, but it's stopped now, just in time for Ty to go to school. So I'm just gonna drop him to school and come back and get my day going with Princess. Yes, Ty. Go find your school shoes and come. Wait, let me do your hair first, and you go find your school shoes.
And play.
And then you can play until we're ready. Okay?
Oh, can I play my Playmobil?
Which one? The one you made last night?
No.
A new one?
Yeah, new
No.
one.
Not no. When you come back from school. Play with the one you made last night. You guys, so while Tyler is waiting, I'm gonna make myself some green juice before I head on the run. If you guys new to my channel and wondering what I put in my green juice each morning, I use apple, half of a cucumber, ginger, and celery, and that's it. Yes, Dad?
Can you make some for me too, please? I want some green juice.
Sure. I tell I love green juice. This looks so good. They look nice, don't they?
I thought that we need to
Chin.
put up
Chin. My little green juice buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, stretchy girl. Good morning.
With the bat. With the bat. Yeah. Yes. But what did you say? What did you say? Okay. Yes. Yes. What did you say? What did you
Look at her laughing
say?
already.
What did you say? What did you say?
You guys, you see these two? I know for the moment Sarah hates flushing her nose. She's gonna cry.
Yes. Yes. She's so sweet.
Oh, just like you. And she doesn't like it, so she's gonna cry. Why are you sad?
Because I don't want you to do it to her.
I have to clean her nose. It's gonna make her feel better. Alright, if you don't wanna see her cry, you can go and stay in the living room until she finish.
I don't want to see her cry.
But it's that because she don't like it, it doesn't mean that she's hurting. Okay? It will make her feel better.
You do it to her.
Because it'll make her feel better. So I have to do it every day until she feels better, fully better. Okay?
Okay. Ah.
Oh, Mama, it's time to flush that nose. Okay, it's finished, it's finished, it's finished. It's finished, it's finished. Alright. It's finished, it's finished.
I want baby sister.
It's finished now, it's finished now, it's finished. Look, see, it's finished.
But I don't her to cry.
It's okay, it's okay. That's okay, it's done now. It's all done. Do 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 do.
Mama, I'm ready. Get ready to Mama.
Yeah, we're almost ready to go.
I need you to hurry up because my teacher is waiting for me.
We're not gonna be late. If we're gonna be late, we would have gone already. And I know your teacher is waiting for you.
Mama,
Pretty, 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 pretty. Yes, Dad.
you know that last morning when I was going to school,
Mm-hmm. Vidi.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
last morning when I was going to school and you was carrying me there, I go up the stairs. I go in one direction, and then I look.
Say morning,
I
Fibs.
look in the
The
side.
Fibs morning. Say morning.
I looked inside my class.
Ready to go carry brother to school? Yes. Ready to carry brother to school? Yes, Dad.
Last morning when I was going to school and you was carrying me there, and you put me down. I was walking and I take these stairs and then I go that way and then I turn around. I look at my class and it was empty.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
You were the first one there. You were the first one.
And the second one
Was who?
was I don't know who it was.
Ready?
She turned out
Ready
it's
to
a
carry
girl.
brother to school?
It's a girl, and she do the same thing. You get later.
All right, let's go. I'm here working all day today, and look at this one here beside me just smiling. Look at her just smiling away. Look at her face. She's right at my foot. Smiley, smiley, smiley. Brrr. 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 She just looking at me and smiling the entire time I'm here working. Yes, you. She's literally just giggling. You're happy, baby? You're happy, baby? You're a happy girl in a happy world. You're a happy girl? Look at her doll. You're a happy girl? Smiley? Smiley? I have so much to get done today work-wise, so I'm just working at the computer non-stop. And it's actually in the evening right now, so I'm looking forward to the boys coming home and having dinner. Because I'm hungry. I'm getting hungry, but they're almost home, so I should eat soon. Look at her. Every time I'm talking, she's just smiling. You're such a happy girl, just like your brother. You know that? She's on her play mat. She loves this little thing over her head. Look at her. Mr. Crab, Mr. Crab, Mr. Crab is over your head. Mr. Crab is over your head. Happy girl. No, Han.
Mama.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama.
How was your day?
It was fine, and Mama.
Yes.
You know what I eat at my class?
What did you eat?
I eat pizza saladière.
What's it called? Pizza saladière.
Pizza saladière is what I eat.
But I don't know what that is.
Pizza saladière.
Peace saladière. Dear mama, Google it.
It's with olive.
Olive?
And a lot of onion.
Oh, the thing that I tell you I'm not a fan of?
Bonjour, ma chérie.
You baby?
I think so.
It's yummy?
Yeah.
Cool. Did you do something about judo at school today?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, this is
And you want to do judo?
Hello.
You want to do judo, Tyler?
See, Mama. I want to see Pilu and Moose to come in my house, and you know how we needed Pilu and Moose to come.
Oh.
First do a cat Delaveaus and then Pilu and Moose can come.
Okay, cool.
And-
You had fun at
Tyler?
the battery?
No, no, no.
Alright, go take off your uniform and your
I'm
shoes. Your hair
sweating.
scratching?
No, I'm sweating.
Okay, go take off your uniform. Did you say hello to sister? Take off your shoes first and your uniform first. Go take off your shoes and your uniform first.
I'm going to do that. And then, Daddy!
Okay, go take off your shoes and your uniform first. My boys are...
Hi guys.
He's home early today, so that's,
Yeah, 6 p.m. Oh,
that's
6
early for me. Roy! Run, man, run! Run! What kind of walk you walking?
I want to walk.
Why? Why?
So long time I didn't do anything.
Run slowly. Walking is a waste of time. Run slowly. He's a hot mess.